Hello, my name is Jeff Magneson. I'm the instructor for the Collision Repair Refinish, and today I'd like to honor 3 of my students for an Outstanding Student Award within our program. The award is basically very simple. It's who would I hire to work in my shop, and these guys may get there from different aspects of how they present themselves and what they do in the shop. First award goes to second-year student Sergio Sandoval from Osceola. Sergio started out in a high school program where he competed in the Iowa Skills USA Refinish competition. He won the championship in the high school division. No other competitor was even close in score. Sergio has been on the president's list in sports of perfect 4.0 GPA. The attribute that stands out to me is his professionalism, attitude, and intelligence. Sergio will graduate with an AAS degree this April. Congratulations, Sergio. Next is Lucas Moore from Emerson, Iowa. Lucas earns the Outstanding Student Award for first-year students. Lucas also is on the president's list with a perfect 4.0 GPA. Lucas has all the skill sets to be a top-notch technician also. The attribute that stands out the most to me is his work ethic, one like I have not seen in a while. He is polite and has a desire to learn, and he is one of our best welders to come through the program. Congratulations, Lucas. We have Matt Sauer from Ogden, Iowa, who earns our Outstanding Student Award for first-year students. Matt transferred in from another community college, and boy, I'm glad he did. Matt is on the dean's list and is always the first student to be here in the morning. Matt is also a top-drawer welder and fabricator, can lay down some pretty slick paint finishes. But I think the attribute that stands out the most to me is his level of maturity he possesses in decision-making and thoughtful approach to his work. Congratulations, Matt.